Does the SUD Life Smart Guaranteed Pension Plan truly guarantee a worry free retirement, or are the payouts too modest for rising expenses? Let us find out through an in depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a non-linked, non-participating individual pension plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: you get to choose a payment term that best suits your financial capacity, and you get to receive your vested benefits at the end of the policy term, and you also enjoy special discounts for higher annualized premiums, and you can access funds through partial withdrawals when needed, and you can avail loans against your policy in case of financial requirements, and you also get tax advantages as per the prevailing laws. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like maturity benefit, like vesting benefit, and death benefit. So there are also some advantages like loan facility, where you borrow up to 70% of the surrender value to meet your financial needs, and you get additional benefits when opting for a higher sum assured. There are some disadvantages as well, like at the end of the policy term the plan's benefits vest, but they are not fully available for immediate disbursement, and also this policy does not provide a proper sum assured as a death benefit. So these are some drawbacks that we need to keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. But if you do want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has invested 1 lakh annually in this policy. So the policy term is 20 years with a premium payment period of 10 years. At the end of the policy term, the benefits vest, meaning they can be fully or partially used to purchase an annuity plan. So in this scenario, the final vesting benefit amounts to 21.25 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of 4.92% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So some of the key concerns from the IRR is this IRR is lower than inflation, which means it erodes the real value, and the return itself is notional, meaning only in theory, as the redemption is restricted because you must use the corpus fully or partially to buy an annuity plan at the prevailing rate, and since the annuity rates are not guaranteed, future income is also uncertain. So the limitations on fund usage coupled with subpar returns makes this policy a less attractive retirement investment option. Now, as we know that this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to the comparative analysis, where we are going to explore alternative investment strategy that provides us with better returns along with complete liquidity using the same premium we invested in the SUD policy. So here for life cover purpose, we have opted for a pure term policy with a sum assured of 25 lakhs, which is closer to the death benefit in the SUD policy. And here the premium is only 16,000 per annum with a policy term of 20 years and a premium payment term of 10 years. So after covering life insurance, if you take the example of the premium we used in the SUD policy, here we have a balance of 84,000 per year, which can be invested based on a personal risk tolerance. So for example purposes, we have considered investing in a PPF account and also an equity mutual fund. So there are two scenarios here for example. So the corpus accumulated at the end of the policy term is readily available without any restrictions to the policyholder. So here if you take a look at the public provident fund PPF example, your final maturity value would be 24.78 lakhs and the IRR would be 5.94%. So the funds are fully available here for use at maturity. And if you take a look at equity mutual fund, your final maturity value would be 51.27 lakhs. This is before taxes calculated, and after the post tax value would be 46.6 9.07 lakhs. So the IRR for the post-tax return is 10.90%. So there is complete flexibility to withdraw or redeem as per your requirement. And if you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated the tax for equity mutual fund, we do have a small tabular column presented on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So the alternative approach here offers significantly higher returns because both PPF and equity mutual funds provide full control and liquidity, unlike the pension plan. In contrast, the SUD policy locks your corpus into an annuity purchase at prevailing rates, restricting usage and reducing attractiveness for retirement planning. So, a combination of a pure term policy with independent investments like PPF plus mutual funds can deliver better returns, flexibility, and control, making it a superior strategy compared to the SUD policy. Then, what is the final verdict? Is investing in the SUD Life Smart Guaranteed Pension Plan worth it or not? So, this is designed to help you build a retirement corpus during the accumulation phase. However, the limitation lies in its usage. You don't get the flexibility to access the corpus at maturity. Instead, you are required to purchase an annuity plan at the time of vesting, and the annuity itself is not part of this plan. The purchase is subjected to prevailing annuity rates during the distribution phase, which are not guaranteed. While the name suggests smart guaranteed, the guarantee applies only to the maturity benefit. The so-called smartness is overshadowed by two drawbacks. First, restricted fund usage, which is a mandatory annuity purchase, and number second, non-guaranteed annuity rates, which leaves your retirement income uncertain. So these limitations makes this policy a less attractive investment choice for retirement planning, and it also has a high agent commission. A better approach is to secure an adequate term insurance policy for life cover and build a customized investment portfolio like PPF, mutual funds, or other market linked products aligned with your risk tolerance and goals. You can avoid one size fits all retirement pension products that restrict liquidity and flexibility. Retirement planning is one of the most critical aspects of financial well being. So, by starting early, staying disciplined with investments, and crafting a strategy based on personal needs, you can build a substantial retirement corpus and achieve financial independence sooner.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.